Hey there, future 3D designers. Welcome to my beginner's guide to Tinkercad, where today we're diving into the world of 3D shapes. First things first, let's drag and drop a box onto the workspace. Boom! You've made your first little shape. But what if we want to make it round? Don't sweat it. Just grab a sphere and watch your design come to life. But wait, shapes alone aren't enough. We're gonna scale, rotate, and group these shapes to make them fit together. Think of it like Lego, but with no mess to clean up afterwards. Whether you're designing a cool keychain or building your dream home in 3D, this tutorial has everything you need to get started. Now that you've got the basic shapes down, try experimenting. Play around with colors, sizes, and even holes. Maybe make a mini Eiffel Tower or something wild, like a floating donut. Don't be afraid to let your imaginations run wild. Trust me, it's easier than you think once you got the hang of it. Now, for practice, let's make a fish. This oval object will be the fish's body, and this flat rectangle can be the top fin. We'll move the fin up and rotate it so that it's in line with the rest of the body. Next, move it to the top of the oval. Now we add the eyes on the fish. Drag some spheres and then make the spheres smaller. If you want, you can also flatten out the spheres a bit. Select the eye, and then copy it, and then paste it again. So now we have two eyes. Now to make the mouth of the fish. Take a donut, and then put it on the place where the mouth is supposed to be. Flatten it out a bit and make it smaller. Then drag it into place. We can make the fins of the fish by adding these triangular prisms on the side of the fish. If you want, you can resize these, though it's not necessary in some cases. And for the back tail, we can add another triangular prism. You can also resize this to make it fit. You can label your drawing by inserting a text. I'm gonna name him Fish. And there we have it. You made a fish for practicing. By the end of this video, you'll be creating awesome 3D designs like a pro. Ready to step up your creative game? Don't forget to hit that like button if you're ready to keep learning, and subscribe for more fun tutorials. Catch you in the next tutorial. Let's get designing!